Commercial opportunities for microbiome-based therapies are expanding rapidly in Europe. With only a handful of products having reached the market, there are still significant unknowns regarding adoption, acceptability, and competitive dynamics. The lack of established case studies makes it challenging to predict how these therapies will perform commercially once approved. As companies prepare for commercialization, access, and reimbursement, three key areas drive the opportunity and define specific needs for patient access and reimbursement strategy. First, the therapeutic area. Second, pricing, reimbursement, and market access policies. And third, adoption and uptake. Crafting an effective positioning and commercial strategy for microbiome therapies requires unique considerations. Evidence expectations from payers and HTA bodies should be integrated early in clinical development. While regulatory approval focuses on safety and efficacy, reimbursement decisions hinge on demonstrated value, cost-effectiveness, and real-world outcomes in a comparative context. A comprehensive value dossier should include clinical efficacy, safety, quality of life improvements, and health economic data. Real-world evidence and patient-reported outcomes can strengthen the value proposition and support favorable HTA assessments. Market shaping and education needs to be part of the market access and go-to-market preparedness, much more than for many more established types of health technologies. Educational initiatives targeting healthcare professionals, policymakers, and patients will help build understanding and acceptance of microbiome-based interventions. As microbiome products enter competitive indications, differentiation will be essential. Companies should define how their product compares in terms of mechanism, formulation, delivery, and clinical outcomes. The commercialization of microbiome-based therapies in Europe represents a transformative opportunity, but also a complex challenge. Success will depend on early strategic planning, robust evidence generation, and proactive market shaping. Marketing authorization is only the first step. Be sure to include the payer point of view into your development.